In this video, you'll learn how to fix a payment failure on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will ensure that your payment information is correctly entered to avoid any issues during transactions. Begin by launching the Taskrabbit app on your device or visiting the Taskrabbit website in your browser. Once the interface loads, look for the option to access your account settings. This is typically found in the menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon indicating account settings. Next, navigate to the payment methods section within your account settings. Here, you will see a list of your saved payment options. Locate the card that you are trying to use for your payment. It is essential to ensure that the card details are accurate and up to date. After identifying the card, re-enter your card number carefully. Check each digit to make sure it is correct, as even a small mistake can lead to a payment failure. Once you have confirmed the card number, move on to the expiration date. Ensure that the month and year are both valid and have not passed. Following the expiration date, verify the CVC or security code on the back of your card. This 3-digit number is crucial for processing payments and must be entered correctly. Any discrepancies here can result in a failed transaction. Finally, check the zip or postal code associated with your card. This code must match the address on file with your bank. If there is any mismatch, it can lead to a payment failure. Once you've confirmed all these details, save your changes if prompted. You should receive a notification indicating that your payment method has been updated successfully. After making these adjustments, try to complete your payment again. If the payment still fails, consider checking your internet connection and ensuring that there are no issues with your bank account. Sometimes temporary holds or restrictions may also cause payment failures. If problems persist, contacting Taskrabbit support may be necessary for further assistance. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.